This filmmaking kit is going to transform your mobile filmmaking and help you capture better footage with your iPhone than ever before. Here's the truth. We all need more Transformers in our lives. Yes, Transformers, the cars that turn into robots, you know what I'm talking about, and SmallRig is now giving that to us as filmmakers because they have collaborated with Transformers on a huge variety of products, and this is one of them. The SmallRig Transformers Megatron Edition iPhone 17 phone kit. This kit is going to enable you to transform your filmmaking and go from a very compact and portable setup that fits in a convenient carry bag to a fully assembled professional looking rig in only a few seconds. And in this video, I want to show you just how easy this kit is to use, as well as show you some of the incredible cinematic shots that you can get with it. Let's get the basics set up first though. Grab your phone. In this case, I'm using an iPhone 17 Pro, and you're gonna wanna insert that into one of the soft cases that comes with the kit. Yes, I said cases because there are two. A full case as well as a bumper case, depending on how protected you want your phone to be. Then you're going to want to insert the soft case into the cage and press it down to lock it into place. This is where the true transformation happens because this kit is ridiculously modular. Over the camera lenses on the back, you can attach one of two modular back plates. It comes with either a 17mm threaded lens mount option or a T-mount option, depending on the kind of lenses that you want to use with it. In this case, I'm going to mount the T-mount lenses by taking it here and simply sliding them over so they lock into place. You can then mount something like SmallRig's 2x telephoto and macro lens to it, and that's starting to look really cool. We're really building out this rig here. Alternatively, SmallRig also offers this Filmove 67mm filter adapter backplate that makes it so easy to attach an indie filter to the back of your phone. I love this setup because it makes getting the correct exposure when filming an Apple log so incredibly easy. But we aren't done talking about the transformation capabilities of this rig though, because here's where the magic really happens. With this kit, you get two side handles, and these are the easiest and quickest to use side handles ever. They use the Hawk Lock quick release system to let you attach or detach them with just a quick pinch. Let's say you want to film a video vertically for an Instagram reel or a TikTok. Well, to do that, all you have to do is go over to the sides, click in one, click in the other, and just like that, your handles are now attached and you have a significantly more stable filmmaking setup that makes walking and moving parallax shots so much easier. But then let's say you need to quickly switch to horizontal filmmaking. Well, that's super easy too. Just detach one of the handles and move it to the side, then detach the other, move it to the side as well. And just like that, you are filming horizontally with just as much smooth and steady control as you had when filming vertically. Of course though, this rig is all about comfort as well. And what's great is that both handles offer stepless rotation, meaning that you can very easily rotate them to put them in whichever position is most comfortable for you to hold. If you're filming with the rig at eye level, you may want to leave the handles vertical. Then you can just hold it right here and it'll feel good. But if you want to film down near your chest, you can rotate the handles each 45 degrees or so, and this can make for a much more comfortable filmmaking setup if you're holding it a bit lower. We haven't even talked about the Bluetooth support yet either. What, Matt, this thing has Bluetooth? Yes, one of the handles comes with a Bluetooth shutter button that you can pair with your phone to take photos or start and stop video recording. And keeping with this modular transformation theme, this Bluetooth trigger can be moved from one handle to the other, or even detached completely if you want an even smaller setup. Let's talk about my favorite shot that you can get with this rig though, and that is one that is low to the ground. Sometimes you want to get a shot where the ground is rushing along the bottom of the screen because it adds so much dynamic movement to a shot. But the problem is that filming a shot like this with a phone is usually pretty difficult because you have to kind of hold it in this weird grip, and then you're hunched over down low, and it can really hurt your back after about 10 seconds. Trust me, it hurts mine all the time. It's just really awkward. And what's great is that this rig makes it so easy to film a shot like that. Just detach one of the handles, mount it to the top, give it a rotation, and just like that, you now have a top handle grip that is so comfortable and easy to use. Perfect for getting shots that are low to the ground with minimal effort. Now, using this rig with a top handle can make filming low angle shots easier, but it can still be difficult to see your screen if the camera is down low. But if you want to fix that, one of my favorite capabilities is that SmallRig makes a wireless display adapter that will enable you to add a wireless monitor to your rig. All you have to do is simply attach this monitor to the cold shoe mount of the cage, bend it down out of the way, reattach the top handle, and just like that, you have a wireless video preview of anything that you are filming. Whenever you're ready to disassemble your kit, it's just as easy to do as it was to put it together. Simply detach the handles on each side, and then the cage has this quick release feature button that you can press, which will then let you pop the soft case right out of the cage with just a button press, and you can then use your phone just as you normally would. And whenever you're ready to film again with a more professional rig, you'll be ready to go in just a few seconds with this SmallRig setup. This SmallRig Transformers Megatron Edition iPhone 17 phone kit not only looks cool with silver and purple accents all over it, it's also a truly useful piece of professional mobile filmmaking gear that lets you capture studio quality footage no matter where you are. You can check out this entire kit plus the accessories that I showed off at the links in the video description. I'll also link below to my edit videos like a pro guide. This guide is going to show you my biggest rules that I follow for video editing, and they will help you improve your video editing virtually instantly. You can download the guide completely free at the link in the video description. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.